guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a play menu. So choose the platform. I'm going a little bit fast. Sorry.
I'm dead.
You can see where that's my brother, but you can see where I click. Start up the map. And start deleting. So I'm giving away 5,000 G coins when I get, or 1,000 G coins, or 6,000. I need to get them. If you have to be my 100th follower. I'll follow you back, talk for a little, and then give you your thing. So yeah, I will. I'll give you your G coins if you be my 100th follower. So yeah, this is my I will tell you, there's 2 people I want you to subscribe to, because he's a G coin creator too. Not G coin. But he's also I do not know how to pronounce the game's name. I actually have no idea how to pronounce the game's name. But yeah, but just color all this in any color you want. And go to Deco or something, whatever it's called. And go to Essence, or just make one if you don't have a play button. Then spawn it in. Make it big. I'm just teaching you how to make a play thing. You don't want it to be down this close, so just take it a little bit up. Take it up a notch. Down a notch. Kind of like that.
You just swung at me, dude.
No.
You swung your fist at me.
I forgot you could do this. I forgot you could do that. Don't do it. I forgot that you could just... Fine. Now I have to do this all over again. Okay. Now, take your main actor. This has to be a solo game. It can't be a multiplayer. It can be if I really do try. It can be.
I can literally see what it is on the defenders.
Do
I
this.
can see your pictures.
Put like this where I'm tapping. And make it go over it. This, go right there. Let's test the game. We do not want the main actor, and we do not want this stuff. So you could walk. That kind of main actor. Make this sector. Zoom in all the way. Take a pixel.
You got penned against the wall.
Just go to.
He just died.
Make it pixel.
And you just got killed by your own trap.
Make it black, and then go to pixel.
You killed yourself.
That's small of a pig. That's not small enough. Make it go all the way to 1. Make that pixel. And click done. And then take it and put it there. Now you have this. But we do not want
I'm gonna break
this
in from
little thing.
somewhere
So save this and go down and click Game IU. Click on that and create one. Click Create. Here we have the Game IU. Delete all of this. We are not going to need it for start.
Alright, well, you guys are Captain and Bandit.
Do not delete it. You can't even delete it.
Okay.
And click save and run. And boom, you have this, and you don't have any steps in here to move. You can't even jump. You can't even move. You have a play thing, but I might have to figure out how to make a clicker game. I think I know how to do that.
I hate you.
I think I do know how to do that. I don't know. I'll have to check. But then go back and confirm everything. Save it and click run again. Make sure you did it right. Then you go. You open up a new map. It could be any platform you
I
want.
was gonna.
You could do this. I'm on a different account. My normal account's Gorilla Tag Monkey. I'd put my name as Gorilla Tag Monkey too. Gorilla Tag Monkey. So yeah, I can't pronounce the other guy's name. Who I want you to subscribe to too. But subscribe to me too. And create the map here. And it's just gonna be, map was for YouTube. I'm not gonna delete it, this map, but and yeah, I'll teach you how to make a shop later, but save this, go back and click on platformer 1, click on the play button, go down, click on this, click on interact, click on tappable, go after tapping, add one, click this. You can make a music game, but click map, click switch map, click map, this, and click the map you want it to be called. Click this, click that, click save,
He said
click run.
port. The last words is port.
And yeah, have that. There's my little hat. But that's not all. It's not all. So, after tapping, map. After, okay. Do not do anything. Go to save and go back. Click the platformer 2. You could call it anything you want. Then click to setting. Go to settings. Click on when player enters. Click on that. Click on a sound. You could put a music. Yep, perfect. Yeah, I think that music's copyrighted. So that wasn't my music. Of course you would know that's not my music. Then after you click that, it will play the sound. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial.
What was that?